Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2014 Ford Focus. So if we go to music, no, I don't want a trial, and we'll click on that. I'm going to turn it down, but you see there at the bottom the speaker. There's been an update on this, obviously, because that's actually changed from 3 silver circles and a triangle to now a speaker. But you see there sync. There's a tick next to sync, and there's iPhone there. So that means whatever audio is playing on this phone, because the sync is ticked, if you've got this system set up right, it will play through the speakers. So we'll go back to the tune, over to the system. You've got auxiliary here. If you click auxiliary,
no USB device.
Click it, that's gone onto USB. We'll click it again. That's actually an audio book that's playing on my phone, the new Harry Bosch, the new Harry Bosch audio book. So that's kind of cocked my demonstration up. But if I click play on here for this record, there you go. And if I turn it up here and then turn it up here, that's it.